This is Jet's GPS Fleet Solutions. It's a Jet's GPS fleet tracker client tutorial. This is covering another of the things you can achieve on the map that you might not know about. So the scenario is somebody rings up, how long are they going to be? What you can do is go to the relevant vehicle on the map. So you right click and you route from here. Now there's a couple of things you can do. If you're using the zones and you've put a zone in, say it's an existing customer, you can just type that in and there you go, recommended route 6 minutes. Or you could pop in a postcode. And likewise, there you go, 13 minutes. So that is routing to give ETAs from the mapping on Jet's GPS Fleet Tracker.